Hello, my shopping buddies. Today we are going grocery shopping at Sam's. Look at these reversible flooring, and they are $34.49. I like these black ones. Oh, look, these are nice. See? So I'm in the front of the store now. We have Ziploc bags, nacho, chewies, snack for back to school. And over here we have the large television. Oh, watermelon. $6.98. Seedless watermelon. Ritz crackers. Oh, look, they have the Olay Ultimate. Look at this Frigidaire microwave oven. And it's for $69.98. Ninja blender. Get your juicing on. And it's for $99.98. Rapid cooking. Ninja Speedy. Look. $129. This is the first I'm seeing this. I'm checking if they have any new glasses. See? Ah, look. I like the clear one. I like this diamond necklace. I love the one with the lock. And I also like this one right here. It's like chain link with diamonds. Ooh, look at this one. $3,000. Let's look over here. I need some diamond earrings too. Those hoops are nice. $1,800. Oh, look over here. We have some rings. You see them diamonds sparkling? I like this right here. It's for $11.49. Bling bling. These are watch set and Klein. We also have some watch for the guys. These are for the ladies at the bottom. Oh, look, they have the 10 by 10 canopy right here. These are reversible porch greeter. Okay. If you're a dolphin fans, they even have the chairs. I like this. And it's $16.98, the clear bag. If you're a dolphin fans, these are nice for the stadium. And look, they have some beach bags. Nice totes. I like these. They are $79.98. We have some cups. They look like the standard cups. $39.98. But you get two 40-ounce. The cups are $12.98. Dolphins. And we have t-shirts. I like this grill. I had shown this grill before. $129. Portable gas pizza. Over here we have some beach totes. Black, red, blue. Love the red. Look at the blue though. Is it blue or green? Pretty, right? And they are $49.98. We have igloos. These are some big ones. I like the one with the wheels though. This is a nice grill. $500. It's inside. This one is a little bit cheaper for $400. It's a little bit smaller. Ooh, can't open it. It's not fitted up properly. But this is what it looks like. Ooh, look at this one. Okay. That's what it looks like. $400. This is much smaller for $249. So this is nice. And it's $1,300. How big it is. And right beside it, look. Halloween decors are out. Ah, look at this. Look at this. They have the Halloween squishy plush. So they have the bat, the pumpkin. Look at this. And they are large. This one is cute. So the Halloween squishy plush are $19.98. And they are pretty huge. See? Let me see this one right here. Ah, want to see the pumpkin? Real big, right? Wreaths are $34.98. These look like candy bowls. Pop-up pumpkin pal. I'm in the shoe department, so they have some loafers, $39.98. These are Steve Madden's. Okay. $36.98. These are black and white Skechers. They also have it in pink. I prefer the pink. Leather sandals. Yes. Black and white is nice. Also comes in blue and black. This section they have Gain. It's the same price. Real smell real good. This one is $15.98. I think this is this is their brand. Members Mark. And they also have it in the green container. All is good too. $15.98. And this one is $20.98. Yeah, oh yes. Need to get a new mop, and this is $44.98. Is the regular one. Ah, let's get some iced tea. $5.47 for raspberry. Berry Velveeta, 25 count. Refreshing rain. I think mommy's gonna get this, the Dawn. We need this. So we need toilet paper. This is the one we use. These mini Starbucks caramel frappuccini. Java. I've never seen this before. 12 pack, 22. So we need water, and they are $3.98. Good price. Look what I found. Pumpkin empanadas. Pumpkin spice. They have Oktoberfest mini pretzel. They're 11.98. We have corn husk 5.68. These are for tamales. If you know, you know. We have fresh avocados 4.55. Get your fresh avocados. 3.98 for papayas. This one look nice, right? I like the color of this one. Yeah. Yep. 2.98 for pineapples. And we like fresh pineapples. Oh, look, they have mangoes. Mangoes are 6.93 for a case. These are, we call these tangerines. They are 7.98. Mangerine. Prime rib. Steak sliders. Ooh. This look good to me. And over here we have bacon wrap stuffed cream cheese. Cilantro lime crema. You have a party platter ready. So our chicken is always cheap. 3 pounds, 4.98. So if you don't want to cook, dinner's ready. Definitely got to get some chicken breasts. These are farm-raised salmon. These are caught on the Gulf of Alaska. These are socket eye salmon. Prime rib steak burger. Yeah, these must be some really juicy burgers. And these are the ground beef, 3.98 a pound. So look over here, we have Philips Sonicare 6100. You get 2 in the case for $160. And this is the 4300 Philips Sonicare also for $100. And I'll pay $100 for one. This one you get 2. Plus cases. This is Oral-B 74.98. Oral-B 170. But these are 2. Thank you for coming along. Be safe. Stay blessed.